Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can disable the antivirus on your Windows. So your Windows has its default antivirus, which is known as the Windows Security, which is a very important antivirus for your Windows. Now in some cases that you want to install any third-party antivirus software like Malwarebytes, McAfee, or Avast, then you have to disable your default antivirus. So for that, let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type security. You'll find Windows Security under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Then you'll find virus and threat protection on the left pane. Click on that. You'll find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. And you'll find the real-time protection. Simply turn off the real-time protection. And then this is the first method. Now for the second method is we have to go to the Windows search bar. And here we need to type regedit registry editor under the best match. Click on that. Then here you just need to simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. So we need to look for the HKEY Local Machine. Double click. You'll find software folder. Double click. Under software, we need to look for the policies. So scroll down. You'll find policies. Double click. Under policies, you'll find Microsoft. Double click. Under Microsoft, you'll find Windows Defender. Double click. Now make a right click on the Windows Defender. Then you have to select new. You have to select the word 32-bit value. And just follow me for the value name. So it's capital letter D, small ISABLE, capital letter A, small NCI, capital letter S, small PYWARE. It's disable anti-spyware, this one. Now once done, double click and then change the value data to 1. Click on OK. And then you have to close the registry editor. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows for the changes to take effect. And in some cases that you want to enable again your default default antivirus for your Windows, then you need to go back to the registry editor. And then you have to follow the same path that we have navigated. HKEY Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender, Firewall. And you just to make a right click on the value name, Disable Anti-Spyware, and then select Delete. Click on Yes. And after that, you need to close the registry editor window and then restart your Windows again. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.